This factory produces over 300 metric tons of Himalayan pink salt every single day. But have you ever wondered how this ancient mineral travels from deep underground mines to your kitchen table? Hidden beneath the mountains of Pakistan lies one of the oldest and largest salt deposits on Earth. For millions of years, these pink crystal formations remained buried beneath layers of rock. Today, they are mined, processed, shaped, and transformed into everything from table salt to decorative lamps. So, in this video, we're going to explore the entire journey of Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan pink salt has gained worldwide recognition for its unique color, mineral content, and natural origins. Unlike ordinary refined salt, Himalayan salt contains up to 84 trace minerals, including potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron. These minerals give the salt its distinctive pink color and are associated with various health and wellness benefits. Because of this, Himalayan salt is widely used for cooking, spa treatments, decorative salt lamps, and salt therapy rooms. But to truly understand its value, we need to travel back millions of years. Himalayan pink salt originates from the Khewra region of Pakistan, home to the famous Khewra Salt Mine. The salt deposits here date back approximately 800 million years. Scientists believe this salt formed when ancient oceans evaporated, leaving behind massive mineral deposits. These were later buried beneath layers of rock and sediment. Over millions of years, intense geological pressure transformed these deposits into the crystal-rich salt formations we see today. But the mine itself wasn't discovered until thousands of years later. According to historical accounts, the Khewra salt deposits were discovered in 326 BC during Alexander the Great's campaign. Legend says that Alexander's soldiers noticed something unusual. Their horses were licking the rocks on the ground. Curious, the soldiers tasted the rocks themselves and realized they were made of pure salt. This discovery led to the development of what would become one of the largest salt mining operations in history. Today, the mine produces thousands of tons of salt every year and exports it to countries around the globe. The journey of Himalayan pink salt begins deep underground inside vast cave systems. Miners carefully extract large blocks of salt rock from specific prime mining zones. These zones are selected based on mineral purity, crystal structure, and color quality. Geologists play a crucial role in identifying the highest quality salt deposits. Large chunks of salt rock are then separated from the mine walls using specialized mining equipment. The raw salt rocks are massive, often weighing several kilograms each. Once extracted, the salt rocks must be transported from the depths of the mine to the surface. Specialized mining trucks travel inside the cave tunnels to collect the salt blocks. In some mining systems, a train-truck combination transport system is used for efficiency, safety, and cost-effectiveness. After leaving the mines, the salt rocks begin the next stage of their journey, industrial processing. One of the major producers in the Himalayan salt industry is Ittifaq Salt, a large-scale manufacturing company. This facility processes more than 300 metric tons of Himalayan salt every single day. That's the equivalent of hundreds of thousands of kilograms of salt moving through the production line daily. When the salt rocks arrive at the factory, they are first stockpiled and sorted. Only the highest quality rocks are allowed to continue through the manufacturing process. The selected salt rocks are then transported into an enclosed cleaning facility. Inside this area, advanced machines automatically wash and dry the salt rocks. This stage removes dust, dirt, small debris, and foreign materials from the mines. Conveyor belt systems move the rocks through each stage of the cleaning process. By the time they exit the washing unit, the salt crystals are completely purified and ready for processing. After washing, the rocks are transferred into a controlled drying chamber. This chamber removes any remaining moisture from the salt. Maintaining the correct moisture level is extremely important for storage quality, grinding efficiency, and product consistency. Once properly dried, the salt rocks are ready to be transformed into various products. To produce Himalayan table salt, the large rocks are fed into powerful grinding machines. These machines crush the rocks into fine salt grains. After grinding, the salt moves through a grading system. Special machines sort the grains into different sizes. Any irregular particles are automatically removed to ensure uniform quality. Next comes one of the most advanced technologies used in salt production, the optical color sorting machine. This high-tech device uses cameras and sensors to analyze each grain of salt. It can instantly detect discoloration, impurities, and unwanted particles. If any grain does not meet quality standards, the machine automatically removes it. This ensures every batch of Himalayan salt maintains exceptional purity and consistency. Once the salt passes the quality inspection, it moves to the packaging stage. Here, the salt is sealed inside airtight containers designed to protect it from moisture, contamination, and environmental exposure. Packaging materials may include high-quality plastic containers, glass jars, and sealed pouches. For large-scale wholesale distribution, the salt is packed into durable woven polypropylene bags. These bags are strong enough to withstand the weight of bulk shipments. But Himalayan salt isn't only used for cooking. Some of the larger salt rocks are transformed into beautiful decorative salt lamps. This process begins with powerful rotating cutting blades. These industrial blades slice through the solid salt blocks. Because the salt rocks are extremely dense, this stage requires precision and expert handling. Next, specialized drilling machines equipped with diamond-tipped drill bits create a hollow center inside the rock. This hollow space will later hold the light bulb and electrical components. Additional rotating blades allow craftsmen to sculpt the salt into unique shapes with curves, textures, and decorative patterns. The equipment used in this stage is extremely powerful, making skilled operators essential for safety and accuracy. After the machines complete the basic shape, skilled craftsmen take over. Using hammers and hand tools, they carefully refine each lamp. This step ensures consistent size, balanced structure, and smooth edges. Each lamp is slightly different, giving Himalayan salt lamps their natural and organic appearance. The salt rocks then undergo a polishing process. Polishing enhances the natural glow of the crystal and creates a smooth surface. After polishing, technicians install the electrical wiring, the bulb holder, and the base support. Once illuminated, the lamp produces a warm orange glow that many people find calming and relaxing. Before leaving the factory, each lamp undergoes a final quality inspection. Workers carefully check electrical safety, structural stability, and lighting functionality. Only lamps that pass these tests are approved for sale. Salt lamps are delicate products, so they require protective packaging. The lamps are placed inside specially designed boxes with cushioning materials to prevent damage during shipping. Each package includes labels with product information, usage instructions, and safety guidelines. From the production facility, Himalayan salt products are shipped around the world. Large distributors supply them to retail stores, wellness centers, restaurants, and online marketplaces. Today, Himalayan salt products are sold in over 100 countries, making them one of Pakistan's most famous natural exports. The journey of Himalayan pink salt is a remarkable combination of nature, history, and craftsmanship. What began 800 million years ago beneath ancient seas now ends up in kitchens, spas, and homes across the world. Whether used for cooking, wellness, or decoration, Himalayan salt remains one of the most fascinating natural minerals ever discovered. If you enjoyed discovering how Himalayan pink salt is made, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're curious about how other everyday products are manufactured, check out our next video exploring smart factories. You might never look at everyday products the same way again.